Walk for the camera. There you go. I don't know if we should do that. Why don't you, let's stay on the carpet. Stay on the carpet. Might get a little out of control. Okay.
Is that freaking you out?
Yeah, we're gonna get like my brain's gonna face plant onto it. Goodness, buddy. You're doing pretty good.
So we can get face shots over here.
Yeah.
What are you doing? You gonna run me over? That's why we can't have nice things.
Uh-oh. Okay, I'm gonna help you out on the crazy floor here. So it doesn't get out of hand. Let's turn. You pant like a dog. Actually, I think you can do it, but whatever.
What are you doing?
Just trying to run over a Grindle.
You gonna get that cat? You ain't caught him yet.
He did get his tail a couple times. Goodness, buddy. It'll take you long to figure that out. Now where are you gonna go? This way? Maybe we should do the hallway. That'd be a good long stretch of carpet. Okay, let's turn around.
You're doing it wrong.
I'm sorry. Turn around. Let's go that way. There you go. It's like terrifying.
You're a lot more scared than he is.
I know. So you can't concentrate on the cat. Alright. It's all you. Are you worn out?